Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Flex 2 Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair connect this to a Mac, a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is let's put these into pairing mode. Okay, let me open these up. I'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, I get a solid blue light here and then it turns off. The reason is because it's connected to a different device. If I put these in my ear, it would have said connected, all right? So I'm connected to one of my other devices. So for myself, I have to manually put this into pairing mode. So let me go ahead and take out both of these. Now it's easier, I just have to use one of the buds to force it into pairing mode, okay? It's easier if I put it in my ear that I can hear it, but basically what we want to do is tap and then tap and hold the touch sensor here, okay? Ready? Tap, tap and hold. Now just keep holding until both of the buds start blinking blue. Okay? Now you can see, now if I had it in my ear and I press and hold it, eventually it would say pairing. So now it's in pairing mode. They're both blinking blue here. So now let's shoot over to our Mac, top left-hand side, Apple logo, tap on that. We want to go to System Settings. From here, make sure you tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And now let me go ahead and, let me just turn off Bluetooth. Let me turn it back on. Okay, now these are still, the buds are still in the pairing mode, and it would show up down here under nearby devices, which is like Bluetooth range 35 feet. Anyway, it did find it, the Flex 2. So let me hover over to connect. Give it 1 second, and voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue, you couldn't put this in a pairing mode, or you had issues connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.